As you can see, you will think the MOJO Pizza is more in range, but the thing is, the Domino's pizza cost me more than MOJO Pizza. The pizza over here is 554. Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, the Coco Bay Blog. So today I'm here to do a comparison between Domino's and MOJO Pizza. So we have, here is the 10 inches, which is medium, MOJO Pizza, and Domino's Pizza, medium. So both are in non-veg. So the MOJO Pizza got delivered in 25 minutes, wherein the Domino's took around 35 minutes. So quite good. So we can expect like it will be delivered within 30 minutes to 35. So the which is got earlier is the MOJO Pizza. So let's see the size and let's do the unboxing of this two pizza. Okay, first I just wanted to say like they have written 2x toppings, double the toppings. Let's see, we are going to see it if they really have the double toppings or not. Okay, and here is our Domino's pizza. Okay, let's see the box. So the MOJO pizza box is a little bit big, wherein the Domino's pizza box is a little bit small. Okay, and I'm doing the unboxing. Yay! Oh my god, really the toppings are really good. Okay, so what do you guys think? In which pizza do you think is the more toppings? Here I can see more of chicken over here and more of veggies over here. Like, and even you can see the size of the pizza. The MOJO pizza is a little bit big, wherein the Domino's is a little bit small. This is thin crust and this is like our pizza, my pizza, and this one is from Domino's, and this one is from MOJO, and this one is from MOJO. I think the MOJO pizza has more toppings, like it has double the toppings as it says, wherein Domino's pizza has less toppings according to MOJO pizza. And one more thing, even the price, as you can see, you will think the MOJO pizza is more in range, but the thing is, the Domino's pizza cost me more than MOJO pizza. The pizza over here is 554, and it is for the price 672. Can you believe it? Like it, Domino's pizza cost me more, wherein MOJO pizza has better price, better size, and we have to taste it. Like without tasting I cannot say. So now let's start with the tasting. So first 3 points goes to MOJO pizza. Delivery, super fast delivery, double the toppings, and third is large and better price range.
Two hours later.
What we have: chili flakes, oregano. first I'm going to try with Domino's. So this is the size. These are the toppings. This is soft. The taste is fine. What toppings over we have is black olive, chickens, onion and capsicum. What toppings we have over here in MOJO Pizza? Quite big, thick. Okay, so this is the size of MOJO Pizza, and this was the size for Domino's. More of chickens, oregano, mushrooms, capsicum. The chicken is awesome. I just love the taste. I don't know why, like the MOJO Pizza have a different flavor in it. The chicken, especially the chicken, is very juicy. Wherein in the Domino's Pizza, I'm getting the flavor, but not much of flavor. Even it had good taste, good flavor. That's go to 4 stars. And what next we have? I really love the MOJO Pizza. Totally in love with it. I will share the link in the description section. It is available in Delhi, NCR, Mumbai and Bangalore. So my personal experience, and even you can try and get the answer. Like, I totally love the MOJO Pizza, and next time I'm going to definitely order from MOJO Pizza, 100% sure, because wherein the taste, size, quantity, price and everything goes to MOJO Pizza. Thank you for watching.